The Cat Burglar to the outside post. They're in the gate. And they're off in the Stephen Foster. And Lee with a good start, and so too Paganal to the outside, and Paganal up to take the lead. Lead is Fordley placed toward the inside. Noblebird is racing third, and Cat Burglar on the far outside tries to move over toward the rail, but will be stuck wide into that first turn. It is Paganal to set the pace. Noblebird's racing in second. Cat Burglar on the far outside is third, while Lee is pulled back off the pace, settling in toward the rail from fourth. Commissioner right up against the fence in fifth. Opportunity is sixth by 2, and Majestic Harbor is at the back of the pack. Heading for the backstretch run, and Paganal has opened up a 3-length lead and throws down a quarter in 23-1. Up the backstretch they go. Paganal leads by 2. Noblebird is keen to go on second toward the outside. Cat Burglar's in the clear, racing third. Lead hustled along toward the rail from fourth. Commissioner asked for a little bit more speed. Fifth and down outside of a half mile to go. Opportunities racing in the clear on the outside. 5 lengths to make up from there. Majestic Harbor still trails, but Majestic Harbor is getting a bit closer as they round the far turn. Paganal's half was 46 4/5 seconds. Noblebird is poised on the outside, and right there, Noblebird has taken over. But Lee is moving into second now and chasing Noblebird to the quarter pole. 2 lengths farther back, Opportunity rolls up to be third. Paganal gives it up. Commissioner, Cat Burglar, Majestic Harbor cuts the corner off the turn, but it's Noblebird. Noblebird has kicked away to lead by 2, but Lee is trying to close on the outside, and Lee is closing 1.5 lengths behind. Furlong to go, but Noblebird is digging in. Lee's trying to get by with ground to make up. Opportunity third, down to the wire. Noblebird, Lee, one final try, down to the finish. Noblebird, Lee, here's the wire. Noblebird, fantastic in the Foster, holding off Lee. Opportunity was third, and Majestic Harbor was fourth. Casey Tankersley, please meet your family at the Barbaro statue. Casey Tankersley, please meet your party at the Barbaro statue. Number 4, Noblebird was first. Number 2, Lee second. 5, Opportunity third. 6, Majestic Harbor. finished fourth. Not official.